So I'm going to be doing something with Survey123 with ESRI training. So I'm going to go to My Learning Activity. And here it is, web course, ArcGIS Survey123 Basics. Okay, web course, ArcGIS Survey123 Basics. In progress. About this course. 1 hour, 5 minutes. Requires maintenance subscription. In this course, you will learn how to use ArcGIS Survey123 to create surveys, get answers, and analyze results. You will also explore the various components that make up ArcGIS Survey123 and learn how these components fit into the ArcGIS Survey123 workflow. Goals. Summarize the capabilities of ArcGIS Survey123. Identify the key components of ArcGIS Survey123. Suggested skills. Completion of ArcGIS Online Basics or equivalent knowledge. Now, I've already completed that. Okay, software. To complete exercises, you need the following: ArcGIS Online Organizational Account, Publisher Role or equivalent, approximate number of service credits consumed, 1 based on current service credit rates subject to change, ArcGIS Survey123. Now this is part of a learning plan. It says create smart surveys and forms using ArcGIS Survey123. This is the one I'm doing right now. Then there's ArcGIS Survey123 creating and publishing surveys. Then there's a video, another video. So I guess I'll enroll in that. It was created by, you have enrolled in the plan, create smart surveys and forms using ArcGIS Survey123. To view your progress and access courses in the plan, visit My Learning Plans. Note the plan will update if courses are added or removed by the plan's creator. If you do not want to receive the changes, you should make a copy of the plan. Close. Okay, so resume course. Got about 4.5 out of 88 reviews. Introduction. In this course, you will learn how to use ArcGIS Survey123 to create surveys, get answers, and analyze results. You will also explore various components that make up ArcGIS Survey123 and learn how these components fit into the ArcGIS Survey123 workflow. Under Introduction to ArcGIS Survey123. Imagine that you work for a city tourist office and you want to know what visitors thought of a recent advertisement campaign highlighting the beachfront entertainment district. In the past, you might have asked visitors to fill out a paper survey. That process would have required a great deal of time, first delivering the survey and then manually recording and reviewing the results. A more efficient way to collect information, whether for use in a survey or another type of data recording workflow, is to use ArcGIS Survey123. With Survey123, you can create and share a web-based smart form. A smart form survey not only enables you to ask questions, but also gives you options to customize the behavior of the questions. You can then share a link or a QR code to the survey, allowing the survey to reach a wider audience. And as people interact with the survey, their responses can be easily accessed and analyzed. The following features represent some benefits of a Survey123 smart form. Questions can be shown or hidden based on responses to a previous question. Questions can be configured for multiple types of responses. Default answer values can be defined for questions. Users can submit attachments. Date, time, and current location can be recorded. Next, ArcGIS Survey123 components. ArcGIS Survey123 is a complete solution. Its various components support every step of the survey workflow, from creation to data collection and analysis. Surveys can be created in either a web designer or a spreadsheet. Data that can then be collected securely through a web browser or a field app and then analyzed on the website. Click through the following survey components to learn more. Surveys are managed on the ArcGIS Survey123 website. Survey data, which is stored in an ArcGIS Online or ArcGIS Enterprise organization, is accessed through the website where it can be visualized, analyzed, and downloaded. Web Designer. The Web Designer is accessed through the Survey123 website and is used to author surveys. Surveys can be created from scratch or based on pre-configured templates. Survey elements are easily added by using the drag and drop interface. Survey123 Connect. Surveys are created in ArcGIS Survey123 Connect by using a Microsoft Excel XLS form. An XLS form provides more control over survey design and question behavior. It is ideal for modifying existing surveys or adding complex functionality. Web app. You can complete a survey either in the ArcGIS Survey123 Field app or in a web browser through the ArcGIS Survey123 web app. The web app offers functionality that is not available in the Field app, such as displaying a thank you screen when the survey is completed or setting survey access dates. Field app. Surveys can be accessed through the Field app, which is available for iOS and Android mobile devices. With the Field app, surveys can be completed offline, more accurate data collection can be supported, and surveys can be completed multiple times, features that are ideal for data collection in the field. Next, ArcGIS Survey Workflow. Working with surveys in Survey123 involves a 3-step workflow. The workflow guides you from building a survey to reviewing the data collected from the survey. Create surveys, get answers, analyze results. Survey123 Connect, Web Designer. Get answers, Field app, Web app. Analyze results, website. The ArcGIS. Create surveys. You can create surveys in either the Web Designer or Survey123 Connect. You add questions to the survey and set the question's behavior. For instance, you can set certain questions to only appear based on the answer to a previous question. You can then adjust the sharing properties to ensure that people can access and fill out the survey. When the survey is ready for use, you publish and disseminate it to your intended audience. Get answers. After it is published, the survey can be shared with others. Surveys can be completed in a web browser using the web app or downloaded and completed on a mobile device using the Field app. It says the ArcGIS Survey123 workflow consists of 3 basic steps: create surveys, get answers, and analyze results. In each step, you will work with specific Survey123 components, including Survey123 Connect, the Web Designer, the website, and the Field and Web apps. Analyze results. As surveys are completed, the data is written to tables that are accessed through the website. You can visualize and analyze the data by adding it to charts or maps or by viewing it in tabular form. You can also download the data for follow-on analysis and reporting. Applying the Survey123 workflow. In the following scenarios, you will determine how to best use the survey workflow to accomplish certain tasks. Scenario 1. Disaster response. A series of storms in Omaha, Nebraska produced strong winds and heavy rain that resulted in significant damage. The local emergency management team plans to create a survey to allow first responders to report areas of the city with moderate to heavy damage. The team will use the survey results to assess the extent of the damage and prioritize its response. Drag the following steps into their correct order. First responders report damage using the survey. Emergency management team publish the survey. We have to create the survey first, and you have to publish it. Then you have to use the survey. Then you review it, and then you check my answer. Try again. Wait, so you publish it, then it's shared. Wait. First they have to create it, then publish it, then share it, then they report it, and then it's reviewed. There. Scenario 2. Wildlife observations. Using the Survey123 Field app, hundreds of citizen scientists have submitted observations of common loon behavior during breeding season in Glacier National Park. Park biologists will make this data to make informed decisions about habitat surrounding loon nesting sites. Which method would be the most efficient for biologists to analyze survey results? Publish the results to a website and ask for additional comments. Print out the survey results and analyze the data manually. Visualize the results using charts and maps on the Survey123 website. Export the results to Survey123 Connect and apply an analysis template. Well, Oh, there, I got that correct. Quiz. Quizzes test the knowledge and skills that you have learned in each section. You must correctly answer 3 of 4 questions to pass this quiz. You must pass all section quizzes to receive your course certificate of completion. Which 2 components are associated with the Get Answers step of the ArcGIS Survey123 workflow? Web app, Field app. In which step of the ArcGIS Survey123 workflow would you view survey responses in a chart or a map? Get answer, no. Analyze results. Which ArcGIS Survey123 component allows you to view responses to a survey? Not the field app, not the web app, the website. Which aspect of ArcGIS Survey123 provides expanded functionality and customization in your survey design? Data analysis. Submit. Okay, got 3 out of 4 correct. The ArcGIS Survey123 website. The Survey123 website is the central location to create and manage surveys. Am I done with that one now? Okay. The Survey123 website is the central location to create and manage surveys as well as to analyze results. You can create a survey from scratch or use an industry template that contains pre-configured questions. You're able to customize both options within the web designer. You can collaborate with others by sharing a survey, sharing the survey's results, or configuring settings to allow others to update the survey. Collected data can be explored and analyzed with a variety of charts and tables. Data containing a geographic location can be viewed on a map. You can also export the data to different formats for backup or follow-on analysis in third-party tools. Click the following items to learn more about how to configure and manage surveys on the website. Overview. The overview page contains information about the survey, including the number of responses. The design page provides access to the web designer where the survey is styled and published. Collaborate. The options on the Collaborate page let you share the survey with respondents, control access to survey data, and allow others to update the survey. Analyze. Collected data can be explored on the Analyze page by using visualizations such as charts and maps. Data. The data page is where collected data can be viewed in tables or maps and exported to different formats. Settings. The Settings page contains options to configure the survey app version and to customize notifications. Next. Comparing the Survey123 web and field apps. ArcGIS Survey123 has numerous potential use cases, many of which focus on more than just the typical question and answer scenario. Some surveys are intended to answer simple questions, while others are used to gather data in various formats such as text, locations, and images. Because of the many ways that surveys can be used, different options for completing surveys are available. In Survey123, surveys can be completed through either the web app or the field app. Which method you choose depends on various factors, as described in the following table. Function. Online form completion. They both have that. Offline form completion. Only the field app offers that. Form completion in a web browser. Only the web app offers that. Form completion in a web browser on a mobile device. Only the web app offers that. Form completion in a mobile app. Only the field app. Both offer support for completion of the survey multiple times on a single device. Only the field app allows completion of the survey on a shared device used by multiple people in the organization. Both allow access to the survey shared through a web link or QR code. Use what you have learned about the differences between the field app and the web app to answer the following questions. Employees at a nonprofit organization use a shared mobile device to conduct quarterly inspections of their equipment. Which app should they use to complete the inspection survey? Field app. The field app is the best choice because it can be used to fill out surveys on a shared device used by multiple people. The marketing team for an amusement park is seeking feedback on its visitors park experience. What is the most efficient way for the team to collect feedback while visitors are at the park? The team would potentially get the most responses to their survey by posting a survey QR code in prominent areas such as near lines or popular rides. People could then scan the code to open and complete the survey in a web browser on their mobile phones. ArcGIS Survey123 Connect. The ArcGIS Survey123 Web Designer is an easy and comprehensive way to add and style survey questions. However, there are times when you may require functionality that is not available in the Web Designer. In such cases, you can use ArcGIS Survey123 Connect to author a survey in Microsoft Excel. You can also download and edit a pre-existing survey in Excel. Survey123 Connect is based on the XLS form, which is an open standard that simplifies the authoring of surveys with more complex requirements. In Survey123 Connect, there are 2 required XLS form worksheets, surveys and choices. There are also additional optional worksheets, such as the settings worksheet that is used to configure broad aspects of the survey. A survey worksheet contains questions and defines questions behavior as shown in the following table. Required column, type of question, example, select one, yes, no. Name of the question, commute, shuffle. Label, question text, do you use the airport shuffle? The choices worksheet contains question responses as shown in the following table. List name, grouped list of question choices, example, yes, no. Name of the answer, yes, no. Label, answer text, yes, I use the shuttle, no, I do not use the shuttle. For more information on XLS form components in Survey123 Connect, see ArcGIS Survey123 Help Quick Reference. Investigate ArcGIS Survey123 components. In this exercise, you will examine the ArcGIS Survey123 product page and learn how to access the Survey123 software. You will then create a simple survey in the Web Designer, exploring the Survey123 website and its various components along the way. Estimated completion time, 15 minutes. To complete exercises, you need the following. I already read that in the introduction. Launch ArcGIS Survey123. In this step, you will locate and open the ArcGIS Survey123 website. You will also discover where to download the Survey123 Field app and Survey123 Connect. In a web browser, go to the ArcGIS Survey123 product page. This page contains information about Survey123, including case studies and other ArcGIS apps that can be combined with Survey123. At the top of the page, click the Resources tab. On the left side of the page, click Go to Download Options. You are now viewing the ArcGIS Survey123 Downloads page. From here, you can download the Field app and download the Survey123 Connect desktop app. At the top of the page, to the left of the pricing button, click Sign In. Sign in with your ArcGIS credentials. You are now ready to explore the website. Open a new survey. In this step, you will examine the methods to create a new survey. At the top left of the page, click New Survey. Trying to hide this thing here. Is there a way to... Okay, well... There are 3 options to create a survey. First, it says blank survey. Start from scratch, design your own survey, use the drag and drop editor. Template survey. Browse industry templates, pre-configured questions, use the drag and drop editor. Using Survey123 Connect, use the desktop application, full smart form capabilities, edit an XLS form spreadsheet. First, you can create a survey from scratch in the Web Designer using the blank survey template. Second, you can select a template that contains pre-configured questions from the Web Designer. Finally, you can create a survey using the Survey123 Connect desktop app. Under using the Web Designer for a template survey, click Get Started. Several industry-specific templates are available to choose from. You may browse through all of the templates or view the options associated with a specific industry. On the left side of the page, click Transportation. Click the Airport Noise Report the template to learn more about its intended use. Before deciding whether to use the template, you can preview the template, including viewing it as it would appear on a desktop or mobile device. What kinds of questions are included in this? What kinds of questions are included in this template? Why is it? We have to click preview. It says airport noise report. Report airport related noise in areas near officials. Report airport related noise in areas near airports. This data will assist planning officials over the extent and impacts of airport related noise and inform future planning. Well, maybe I have to do. Oh, I see. Where were you when you heard the noise? What date and time did you hear the noise? How much were you disturbed by the noise? What was the impact of this noise? Comments, contact information. Do you want to receive additional information by email? Incident location, date and time of incident, level of disturbance, impact of incident, comments, contact information, request for contact. On the right side of the page, click Use this template. Where was I? You have now selected the template that you will use to create a survey. Design it. Here, let me collapse that, and let me collapse 2. And okay, you will now explore the components that make up the web design. The survey template opens in the Web Designer access through the Design tab. From here, you can add and edit questions, configure the appearance, and publish the survey. At the top left of the page, to the right of the survey title, click the Edit Survey Info button. In the name field, type Airport Noise Report, your initials, and click OK. On the right side of the page, ensure that the Add tab is open, and then view the question types that are available. There's text, number, date, and time, single line text, multi-line text, number, date and time, email, website. Choice, single select, multiple select, single select grid, drop down, Likert scale, rating, ranking. Location, map, address, media and files, image, audio, file upload, signature, display and structure, note, page, group, survey element, survey header, survey description, survey footer, CAPTCHA, beta. In the choice section, click the single choice question type. The Edit tab now opens and you can configure the question. For a label, delete the default text and type "Were you inside or outside when you heard the noise?" Where is it? For choices, in the choice 1 field, type inside. For the choice field, type outside. To the right of the choice 3 field, click the minus sign to delete this option. Click the checkbox to enable the Allow Other option. View result. Click Save. Click the Appearance tab. On this tab, you can change various aspects of the survey's theme, including background and text colors. Click the Options tab. On this tab, you can create a custom text or a thank you screen. A thank you screen is only supported for surveys that are completed in the Survey123 web app. At the bottom right of the pane, click Publish. A reminder that all changes will be saved appears. All changes will be saved. Are you sure you want to publish the survey? Click Publish. You have designed and published your survey. Complete a survey. You will now explore sharing options and complete the survey. At the top of the page, click the Collaborate tab. Okay, well, I'm waiting for, okay, now it's 40% done. The Collaborate page is where you can set options for how a survey and its results are shared. On the left side of the page are additional tabs with settings to share the survey. Here, I'm going to pause the video. Wait a minute, where? Which sharing methods are available for the survey? You can copy the survey URL, download the survey QR code, or open the survey in a new tab. To the right of the survey link, click the Open the Survey in a New Tab button, as shown in the following graphic. A new web browser tab appears, enabling you to complete the survey and evaluate how the survey behaves for respondents. Fill out the first 4 questions with any answers that you like, and leave the other questions blank. Click Submit. Noise report. Where were you when you heard the noise? Huntington Tri-State Airport. I'll put it like there. Wait, which date and time did you hear the noise? Maybe in the summer. So let's see here. I was trying to. And maybe and actually I can do something where I can try to make this as accurate as possible. Mathematica has a function flight data where I can I'll put not disturbed, comments. I made this up. Contact information, name, Peter Burberry, email address, Peter Burberry@gmail.com, phone number 1304-360-7492. Do you want to receive additional information by email? Yes. Maybe say the door was open, something like that, and I was standing inside but could see outside. So here's what I want to do. I want to do flight data. Oh man. And say I want to find yesterday for Huntington Tri-State Airport. Entity all to Huntington Tri-State Airport, and I want this shallow option. Okay, so like maybe I could say yesterday. Flight data, property association, so there's FedEx Express flight 1562 departing 5 April. It says arrival airport, Tri-State Airport, arrival delay, arrival time, Wednesday 5th. Okay, so let me go over here. I can say when this thing arrived, it made some noise. So I can do April 5th, April 5th, and it was at 2107 EDT, which would be so what is 21 minus 12? So it would have been 9:07, 9:07 p.m. Okay. Submit. Great, your data was sent successfully. Thanks. Now, click submit. You have completed the survey and will now view the results on the website. View survey results. In this step, you will explore the survey results on the data, analyze, and overview pages. Return to the Survey123 website browser tab with your open survey. At the top of the page, click the Data tab. On the data page, you can view the survey responses on a map and in a table. You can also generate reports and export data. You just completed the survey, so you should see one location on the map and one record in the table. One location on the map and one thing in the table. In the table, click the survey record to select it. Note, the data in your record may differ from what is shown in the example depending on how you answer the survey questions. Okay, then this thing pops up. You will see a pane on the right which contains information about the submitted survey. At the top right of the pane are options to edit, delete, and print the record. Click the X to close the record. Above the map are further options to view and interact with the results, including options to refresh, filter, and export data. So if I do today, I get no results. Filtered by submitted date, filtered by, then I can export as CSV, Excel, KML, shapefile, file, geodatabase. If we go to here, at the top of the page, click the Analyze tab and scroll through the page. Analyze. The responses to the questions are visualized in various ways, including a histogram, pie chart, and column chart. The name of each visualization method is displayed at the top right of the chart associated with the question. The visualizations displayed will all depend on the type of question. Some question types offer more than one method of visualization. Which visualizations are available for the question, how much were you disturbed by the noise? Column, bar, pie, map. Show answer. The responses to this question can be viewed as a column, bar, or pie chart. Clicking the map option will show the location of the noise disturbance on a map. At the top of the page, click the Overview tab. The Overview page provides information about the survey, including its sharing settings and completion information. You can also delete the survey from the Overview page. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Delete this survey. To prevent the inadvertent loss of a survey, you must confirm that you actually want to delete the survey. Before continuing the deletion process, you can specify whether data collected through the survey should be deleted as well. Click Cancel and close your web browser. In this exercise, you discover where to launch and download Survey123 components. You also explored the Survey123 website and in the web designer learned how to create, complete, and view the results of a simple survey. I don't want to delete it. No, I'm not going to delete it. And it says I need to delete. Are you sure? Also delete. No. Next, conclusion. You must correctly answer 3 or 4 questions to pass this quiz. This one's hard. Settings and maybe questions and choices. And let me make sure I'm still recording. I accidentally stopped recording temporarily. Which 2 ArcGIS Survey123 components can be used to submit survey responses? Field app and web app. What is the role of the web designer in ArcGIS Survey123? Visualize results. Manage surveys. Submit. Oh man. Oh. Well, I did not pass. Let me try again. Oh, which component? So, okay, so choices and survey. Blank survey and template survey. Oh, I understand the question now. You got 3 out of 4 correct. Congratulations, you have completed the course. Go to My Learning. View certificate. Yay! Fortunately, I didn't record some of the video because I had it paused, but that's okay.